మేఘమే అసలే ఆగదుని పరుగే ఒకటే గమ్యమే దారులు వేరులే పయనమే నీ పనిలే అలలే పురుగు మొదలే మలుపు గుడుపు నీదే ఆ అద్దమే చూపెను బ్రతుకులలో తీరే ఆ వైపరే తుడిచే కాలే కన్నీరే మాటే వినదుగా 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 వేగం దిగదుగా దిగదుగా వేగం మాటే వినదుగా 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 వేగం 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 మాటే వినదుగా 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 వేగం దిగదుగా దిగదుగా వేగం మాటే వినదుగా 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 వేగం వేగం వేగం
Short rides to smaller places around Bangalore are the best way for de-stressing my mind. I like places which are filled with nature's voice, along with soothing shrine bells, rustling leaves, or gustling water sounds. Nettigere is one such place for me, where the morning golden sunlight lights up the whole place, filled with coconut trees, plantain trees, and a small temple of Lord Guru Ayyappa. It gives me a feeling of Kerala, and hence we call it the mini Kerala. As the sun came up, we were really hungry. It was time for some action, both for our stomach and for the adrenaline rush.
So now I am at Go-karting, where there's Burnout Cafe and Go-karting, which happens in Kanakapura Road. It's very famous in Kanakapura Road. Yeah, I mean, I'm just sitting here, chilling out, seeing some Go-karting because I love cars, to be honest. And yeah, I mean, I'm also trying out my bit there. Other than that, there is a cafe. We can chill out here and get back to a few more places of Kanakapura Road. Stay tuned.
Before I study, I got this bachelor. I start this university for the master, but I don't finish because I feel what use of this paper? I don't want to spend my life convincing one company, look, this paper, this is me. So I Then I did one 9 months industrial electricity job with my bachelor electromechanics. Easily I can get like this job, but it was chemical industry. I don't feel money, yes, but some feeling, no. But we have to live
inner
with
satisfaction,
our feeling. So. But I saved some money. I kept in my mind I want to start organic farm.
Nice.
From Belgium. He comes to this place every year and stays for a month or so. He shares his passion with another young man with the same passion, Manjesh. They both love organic farming, and I personally love them for what they have done. A refreshing and completely organic farm.
Hi guys, so this is another place in Kanakapura Road which is not known to many people but is very peaceful and calm. I find close to nature kind of feeling here, and it is my friend's farm, but it is now famous as Dodana Farm and Swimming Pool. Many people come here to swim, and it is around 50 rupees I think for the life jacket, and there are some charges which are minimal enough to come and enjoy. But what I like more in this place is an engineer who wanted to do farming out of love, out of passion in farming, started a big farm. He helped his mom and dad to build this organic farm. It's completely organic, and yeah, I mean, he has so many animals, he has so many types of plants and so many types of fruits and vegetables. I mean, the crops he grows is like completely organic. He grows mushrooms also. He raises honeybees, and there are rabbits, there are emus, there are chickens, there are turkeys and whatnot. And another beautiful thing is nothing is slaughtered, nothing is actually everyone are treated with love and same care as humans. And another big thing about this farm is the person itself. My friend's name is Manjesh and his father is Dodana, and they both are so lovely people. In fact, the whole family is so lovely that the hospitality you get here is something out of the world. It's something, I don't know, it just feels like family for me every time I come here, and it's been the same for many tourists out here. And obviously they conduct many other activities. They do homeopathy, they do meditation, there is Pyramid Valley. So yeah, I mean, this place is something special for me. I think you guys should come and visit as well.
As the time passed by, we were rushing back to our bike as we were heading to another beautiful place, the Pyramid Valley International. To tell about Pyramid Valley in short, it's a highly spiritual space. Entering the aura and ambience of Pyramid Valley, you can feel the cosmic energy. Spirituality means finding oneself, and maybe that's inner self is more peaceful, and I think this place will help you achieve that. Apart from your stressful life in the city and stuff like that, I think coming here
will just refresh and reset your mind.